Greetings from Nehru World School. I welcome you all to yet another episode of Talking Diaries. And today we all are gathered here to talk about why it is important to speak truth. So we have our four panelists here. Let me first ask them to introduce themselves. So first I want Advika to introduce herself. Yes, Advika.
Hello, I'm Advika Agrawal from Nalward School. I study in KG Red and I am 5 years old. I am very excited to being a part of this talking diary. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Advika. It's a pleasure to have you here. Now, next, we will move to Rudraksh.
Hello friends, my name is Draksh Tomar and I study in Nehru World School and my teacher's name is Shitakshi ma'am and Poona ma'am and my favorite color is red. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rudraksh. I welcome you to the show. Now, next, we have Anvika with us.
Hello, my name is Anvika Agrawal. I study in KGG. My school is Nehru World School. I'm excited to come here.
So, am I, Anvika. I welcome you. And next, we have Dhruvin with us.
Hello ma'am, my name is Dhruvan and I study in KG Purple. I uh, when I go to the doctor, when I when I go to the doctor,
Dhruvin, I want you to introduce yourself to others, please. Tell something about yourself, Dhruvin.
hello friends. My name is Dhruvan. I study in KG Purple and I am 5 years old.
Thank you so much, Dhruvin. Thank you so much. Okay, now I want to ask my all the panelists, have you ever lied? Have you ever lied to anyone? क्या कभी किसी ने झूठ बोला है? Anvika, yes, Anvika.
I did lie.
You lied.
Once I spilled water in the bed, then I said, my sister did it.
She took the name of her sister, that it's my sister who did that. I want to share my event also when I lied to someone. You know, may I tell you my incident also when I lied to my mama? You know, when I was in my childhood, I lied to mama about eating the chocolate. I used to eat lots and lots of chocolate. My mama asked me to eat a small chocolate at a time, or from the big chocolate take a small piece. And once what I did, I just eat them all. And when I felt so much pain in my tummy and I got ill, my mama asked me, where are the chocolates? And I said, I don't know. And I lied to my mama. Same ever happened with you? You Okay, and Advika wants to share. Yes, Advika?
I lied with my sister one day. I told you, then I said to my sister that I, my mama, all threw the crayons in garbage because she always broke my school crayons and non crayons. That's why I say it lie.
Okay, thank you so much, Advik. Okay, Rudraksh want to speak. Yes, Rudraksh.
Ma'am, I say the truth.
You always speak the truth. Oh, that's good. Okay, now I want to ask one more question, that why do you feel the need to hide the truth? Yes, Anvika?
Also, once I don't want to join the class, then I said my tummy was pain, and Mama gave me a ashadi.
Okay, so Mama gave you Oshadi when you told lie to Mama about your pain. And how you felt? How you felt when you tell lie to Mama or when you lied to Mama? How you felt?
Bad.
Okay, let me ask from Dhruvan also. Yes, Dhruvan, what do you want to share?
Ma'am, to make other people happy, so we need to hide the truth.
Okay, my next question from you all is, have you ever been scolded by anyone? Yes, Advika?
I don't tell about aloe vera that I eat.
Okay, then?
And then my mama papa ask a lot. Then I don't answer. Then my mama papa ask one time more. Then I answer it. Then my mama papa they understand me.
Okay, they make you understand that you don't have to hide the truth. Yes, Rudraksh?
Ma'am, how do you feel? You say a lie with your mama.
I feel so bad. And in past also, I felt so bad when I lied to my mama. Because we should not lie to anyone. Okay, here I want to ask my one more question from you all. Is keeping a secret is also a type of lie? अगर हम सीक्रेट रख रहे हैं, कुछ बता नहीं रहे हैं, so is it also a type of lie?
Mama, Papa birthday,
Hmm.
and I plan and I secret plan. This is a not lie.
Of course, Rudraksh, you are absolutely correct. Okay, now I want to ask one more question. If my friend is lying and I'm also keeping quiet about it, what do you think? Is it also a type of lie? Is it okay to be quiet if somebody else is lying?
It is type of lie keeping quiet.
But why? I'm not saying anything. I'm quiet about it.
You should answer it or should it is wrong or correct.
Okay. Yes, Anvika?
If we not lie anyone and we should hide lie, mommy will not scold us.
Of course, Mama will not scold you when you speak the truth. If you're hiding something from Mama, you're not telling her. It is also a type of lie.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is. Of course, when we are hiding something, it is also a lie. So we should always speak the truth and tell Mama, Papa, or our teachers also about the truth. Anvika have something to share. Yes, Anvika.
If we lie someone, everyone will not be best friends.
Okay, we can't be best friends if we lie to anyone. Yes, so we should always try to speak the truth. We always should try to speak the truth. Okay, my next question for you all is, why truth is important for us? Why truth is important for us. Yes, Advika.
Truth is important. Why we speak if it that I broke my glass of milk. That was a glass one, and
Okay.
I hide it. And my mama said, "Where this glass was?" So I say, "I don't know." I say, "I don't know. Maybe my mama caught me tomorrow, seeing in garbage."
Okay. So I am asking why it is important to tell the truth to mama or to anyone. What is the importance
Because
of?
because then anybody will not angry.
Okay, it can save us from getting the anger from anyone. Yes, nobody will feel angry on us. Okay. Yes, Rudraksh.
Ma'am, ma'am, and says truth. Mama, Papa loves us,
Mama Papa loves us. Yes, when we speak the truth.
and ma'am, Dadu Dadi is loves us.
Okay. Thank you, Rudraksh. We should always speak the truth and never lie to anyone. Okay? Because it will always help you. Truth is always true. And when you speak the truth about anything, the other person always try to understand your mistakes or what do you want to say about it. And with this, we will wrap up our session here. And it was great to talk to you all about truth. Thank you so much, all of you, for sharing your ideas. And thank you.